HubSpot Forms have not only helped businesses increase their reach, but also allowed them to track participants in their marketing campaigns, collect valuable information and expedite the process of lead conversions. In today's competitive corporate world, you want to track and drill down every click and sway on your website. With VIDIZMO's seamless integration with HubSpot Forms, you can now include them in your videos with a few easy steps of configuration. All you need is your HubSpot account's portal ID and form ID to proceed. In this video, we will be looking at adding HubSpot Forms within videos in VIDIZMO. You can get your form ID and portal ID from HubSpot once the form to be used within your video has been published. Generate an embed code and copy the values for portal and form ID for later use in your portal. From the portal's home page, expand the Admin tab from the top left navigation menu, and click on Media Manager. Click on the video you want to add interactive media to and select Studio Space from the Overflow menu. From the panel on the right-hand side of your screen, make sure the HubSpot option is enabled. Click on HubSpot to add forms at any point in the video. Select Add New and enter the portal and form ID that you copied earlier from HubSpot by generating an embed code. Using the scrubber below the player, select a point in the video at which you want the HubSpot form to appear. By enabling Specify Availability, you can set a duration within the video, during which viewers can choose to take the HubSpot survey on their own. You can also allow your viewers to skip the HubSpot form to ensure seamless video streaming. You can add as many HubSpot forms as you'd like within a video, by simply selecting Add New. You can also remove any form and start from scratch. Once you've added the HubSpot forms, click on Publish to incorporate the desired changes in your video. Or select Discard to undo the changes you've made. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.